Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix double tap to wake screen problem on Oppo phone. Friends, you have a double tap to wake screen problem on your Oppo phone device. So guys, when you double tap on your screen on. Friends, you want to solve this problem, you want to fix this problem. So how to fix today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to fix double tap to wake screen problem. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, home and lock screen setting, click here. Friends, home screen mode you want to change, so friends you can change friends your Oppo phone home screen mode. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see lock screen setting, double tap to wake screen setting. Friends, by mistake friends you have on your double tap setting. Friends, you will have to only off. After of friends your problem will fix. Friends, now you can double tap your screen. Double tap, three tap, four tap, screen will not on automatic friends. You will have to click on my phone power button. Then guys your phone screen will on. So like that friends, you can fix your Oppo phone double tap to wake screen problem. And friends, you can fix with shortcut setting. Click on phone setting and friends direct search your double tap setting. Friends, you can see double tap to wake screen setting is click here. Direct friends, you can solve this problem. Friends, you can see when you will on. So when you will tap double tap here, screen will on. So guys, tap here and guys problem will solve. Friends, now you can double tap, three tap, four tap, screen will not on automatic. So like that friends, we can fix double tap problem on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.